Channel. This is big teaching channel. So what we do today is teaching of how to make money online. Thank you. My name is Gift, and I'm the founder of this channel. Please don't forget to like, share this video, share it, please. If this video really help you, share it so that app. We call the name of the apps. So app number 1, achievement. We're gonna write it on the face. App number 2, app money. 3, app nana. 4, instant money. 5, smart panel. Respondent, means one. So after means one, you have iButter, loot, make real money, native, egg, buy, slide joy. This app may be so funny, the name may be so funny. So it really make money, and most of the money is paid in paper because paper is used in. Someone just asked me now in the comment below. He said this Pi they are mining. No, you are not going to mine Pi. Pi is not mining app I mentioned. I want to spell the Pi on the screen, so I'm going to spell it. But all they are fake apps. So okay, sir. I will show you the picture in the next episode. So if you really want to make money, use the respondent and mind one. With respondent, you can make about $100 a day. I mean, how will you work in the office, in your household, and be making about in Nigeria here $100 is about 50,000. Yeah. So it's very easy to make money, and it's very easy to transfer to your paper account. Subscribe to this channel. Look at my left hand, you will see some of the pictures of the app and all these things. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you. Enjoy your money, and please share this opportunity.